A newly discovered phishing technique is now targeting banking customers, according to recent research by ESET. The report reveals that attackers are focusing on Android and iPhone users by tricking them into unknowingly downloading progressive web applications or PWAs, disguised as legitimate apps. PWAs are essentially websites designed to function like standalone applications. They appear more authentic by using native system prompts and can bypass the need for user approval for third-party installations. On iOS, phishing sites mimic popular app landing pages and direct victims to add the PWA to their home screens. These PWAs function like regular apps, but on Android devices, they silently install Android package kits or APKs without requiring user authorization, making it seem as though the apps were downloaded from the Google Play Store. Delivery methods. Voice calls warned victims about an outdated banking app and instructed them to choose a numbered option, which would then trigger a phishing URL sent via text. SMS messages with phishing links were sent indiscriminately to check users, while malvertising used ads on meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram, luring victims with limited-time offers and encouraging them to download fake updates. Reports indicate that cybercriminals are now using more advanced methods, including fake versions of popular Android apps. ESET warns that copycat campaigns are likely, advising users to remain vigilant by only downloading apps from trusted sources and being cautious with unsolicited links. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more videos.